In this video, we will look at our cloud-based test store, CloudAnalyst. Using this feature, user can download custom tests for spectroscopy and execute them on our instruments. We will be using a UV visible double beam spectrophotometer, UV Explore model and install nitrate test from the CloudAnalyst. As you can see, the instrument is powered on, and is waiting on the home screen. The instrument is equipped with touchscreen and is based on Windows 10 system. As we will be connecting our desktop software via Wi-Fi, thus we navigate to PC connection option and make note of the IP address of the instrument. The IP address is shown as 192.168.0.121. We will key in this IP address into the desktop-based software. We will now type in the IP address of the instrument and press OK for connection. Once connection is successful, the application will open the home screen of the desktop application. As the application supports multiple users, we will type in the username and password for this demonstration. Once connected, the instrument will self-initialize and load the default home screen. Once the home screen is loaded, we will see the instrument status using the top file menu. As the instrument is calibrated during initialization, we can also check the same using plot deuterium lamp peak. The peak should match 656.1 nanometers. The reported peak is exact as 656.1 nanometers. Thus the instrument is calibrated correctly. Here we can see the types of tests that are pre-installed in the software. We have photometry, quantification, scanning, multi-wavelength, kinetics, multi-component and a new menu for test store. As no downloaded test is installed, thus the menu is empty. We will now open the test store from top menu by selecting Admin, Test Store option. In the test store, we can search for available tests. In this case, we will search for nitrate and press search button. The test description is shown by clicking on the test name. As seen in description, this test will automatically take reading at 220 nanometers and 275 nanometers and provide us with a subtracted reading. We will install this test by selecting the Install option. We will wait for the test to install. The test is now installed, and the system provides option to delete this test. We will now run this test by selecting File, New, Test Store, Nitrate, New Test option. This is the screen for the installed nitrate test. Let's recall a previously stored test with standards. The previous stored test is loaded with standards and graph. Now we will blank the instrument. Note that the instrument automatically seeks to 220 and 275 nanometers. Now let's take a sample of 2.8 ppm and read it against the plotted graph. The instrument reports the sample as 2.79 ppm, which is very precise. Let's see the reslope functionality. Just as an example, let's suppose this sample is 2.0 ppm standard. We click on 2.0 ppm standard and select no option for the delete confirmation. We then right-click on Read button and select Reslope action from the context menu. The software shows a new table adjusted with the reslope function. The new data, when compared with the existing, shows that the system has applied linear reslope to all existing standards. User may accept OK to commit the new graph. For this example, we will select Cancel option. User can print the results by selecting File, Print option. This will show a print preview screen. User can save the results as various file formats such as PDF, Word document, Excel spreadsheet, HTML, or XML file. Thus, to conclude this video, we have seen the test store functionality, and downloaded Nitrate test from internet. We have also seen the reslope function. The tests are saved on our secured server and are updated time to time. Thank you for your time. Please leave a comment if you have any query related to this feature.